Someone often creates a fake ID using your picture or information on Facebook. In such a situation, you can destroy the ID through the imposter report. So let's see how to do it. First, I will go to the link shown on my screen. Click on this option. Someone created an account pretending to be me or a friend. The second option is, do you have a Facebook account? Click no. Third option is is this account impersonating you? Choose this option. Yes, I am the person being impersonated. Please enter your Facebook account name. Which one do you report? Please enter your email address for the report update. Please enter your Facebook account name. Which one do you report? Upload a document here that matches the date of birth on the ID. Now you can insert the ID link, which one you want to report here. In the last box, you must write something to apply to Facebook. Finally, we need to complete the report by clicking the Send option. Our work is done. Now we have to wait for updates from Facebook.
3 hours later.
Now we will enter the link and see if the ID is broken. Wow, done our work. Contact us WhatsApp +88014009333707